This is a screencast for the area or department leaders of GAARP. This is going to show you how to add staff members as editors of specific GAARP folders. So just to make sure that all leaders have everything that's needed in order to do this, please open your web browser. And in your web browser, you're going to go up and type in the address tinyurl.com/fpsgarp. And make sure you spell that correctly. Make sure it's a /. And when you're done, hit return. Now, one of two things is going to happen. If you're not signed into your Google account, you're going to be directed to a Google sign-in page. Please put in your full email address and your password and click sign in. If you were signed in, or after you do that sign in, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. This is where all the GAARP group folders reside. Now the blue button in the top right corner is either going to say add to drive or open in drive. For those that it says add to drive, please make sure you click add to drive. You'll get a yellow message that says GAARP group folders has been added to my drive. And for everyone now, it should say open in drive. Go ahead and click open in drive. That little step just makes it so now GAARP group folders is over here under my drive in everyone's individual account. These little arrows over on the left sidebar open and collapse different areas of folders here in my drive. So that being said, when you come over here and you click the little arrow next to GAARP group folders, this expands, shows all the subfolders in the GAARP area. So what we want to do as the area leaders for GAARP is you have to add your staff members as editors of specific folders. So let's use math as an example. Let's go down to math and let's click on one of the math folders here. So here's math grades 6 through 8. So as the area leader for math, as one of the area leaders for math, I should go in here to the share settings. I'm going to click on this little options menu for the folder. This is how I get to the share settings. So I click on that little arrow, go to share, share again. This takes me to the share settings box. So now what I'm going to do as the area leader is start adding only the 6th through 8th grade teachers. Those should be the only people that have edit rights to that folder. So under invite people, I'm going to start typing the names of some of the 6 through 8 teachers. I usually type last names. The name will come up, then you can just simply click on it. And here's another 8th grade teacher. Now here's a good thing. Here's a good thing to check for rather. Let's do a 7th grade teacher. So we're going to type Knackle. Now be very careful when you type names. Some of the staff in the district might also have the same last names as some of the students. So if this is the case in terms of Knackle, you want to make sure that you add obviously the correct staff member, and staff members end in franklin.k12.wi.us, where students end in franklinsabers.org. So that's just another little visual indicator that you're adding a correct staff member. So you would go through and add the 6 through 8 teachers for this folder. So this the rights should be can edit. Let's leave this checked, notify people via email. This will also send those staff members an email, and I'm going to click add message and write them a little message that says, I have just added you as editors of the 6 through 8 GAARP math folder. Something simple, something to the point so they know why they're getting this email message. And then click share and save. When you do that, they're going to be added in this list, and they're also going to get that email message, and everything will be set up for the in-service days throughout the year so that they can add things to that folder. Now, let's say you accidentally add somebody to a folder they should not be an editor on. When you go into the share settings box, you can find that person, come over and click the little X, and that'll take the person off the folder. That's just if you make a mistake somewhere, accidentally add the wrong staff member. And after clicking that X, you do have to click Save Changes, just like the message here says, in order for that to take effect. So that is the plan for the GAARP group folders. Please add the necessary staff members as editors only to their folder. This will make it so that deleting of files, moving of files, any issues with people having too many rights in too many places, this will hopefully take care of some of those issues. And all staff will have view rights to all folders, and we're going to put a video together for the training where you can show that as an area leader to get everybody set up correctly. So that's that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.